How to download a YouTube video on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any video for offline viewing directly in the app. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device and find the video you want to download. After that, tap on the video to open it. From there, swipe through the options sitting just below the video until you find the download button and tap on it. At this point, you may be asked to select a quality. Choose whichever one suits you and the download will begin right away. In the next step, wait for the download to finish. You'll see a progress indicator while it's saving. Following this, once it's done, tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, tap on Downloads from the options and you'll find all your saved videos collected right there in one place. Finally, keep in mind that downloaded videos are only available for up to 30 days before they expire, so make sure to watch them before then. And that's it! If this guide helped you download a YouTube video on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.